what really is cryptocurrency? Now, imagine you get a WhatsApp group, you and your guys, and una decide to create coin. We'll call am group coin. Now, this group coin, I think I settle bills, they think they pay for some kind of things. If person drop better G, if you even dash am. And every transaction on this your group coin, it dey drop for the group as message. You go just see Chinedu send 5 group coin to Aisha. Everybody dey see am, nobody fit delete am. And for decentralization, there's no bank, no admin, nobody dey in control. Na the group dey in control. And to keep things private, every message for the group dey coded like WhatsApp end-to-end encryption. Only people wey suppose see am fit see am. And for the sake of consensus, to avoid fake transactions and ojoro, everybody for the group must vote to agree. At least half must agree to confirm say any transaction dey legitimate. And if the transactions too much, maybe say group no go fit gather together, they agree on every transaction. Una fit choose some people, we go call them miners, to verify every single transaction. And we go dey dash them money based on the transaction wey dem verify. You see, say we don't use WhatsApp explain blockchain and cryptocurrency. The group coin na crypto, the WhatsApp na the blockchain. Na so we dey take simplify everything for Skyway Academy.